SDL, with 20-year expertise, has transformed into a trailblazer within the technology accessories industry. With a global footprint spanning 150 countries, we specialize in crafting an extensive array of technological essentials, including state-of-the-art data cables, longevity-engineered power banks, efficient wall chargers, and innovative wireless charging solutions. Our commitment goes beyond just offering products. It's about delivering unparalleled value through a perfect blend of premium quality and affordability. We provide both OEM and ODM services, coupled with our extensive range of products built to exacting standards, and have solidified our reputation as a trusted partner in the international market. Our strategic collaborations with prestigious brands such as Hyundai, Inteco, Jaguar, Kimstore have reinforced our presence in key markets. At the heart of our operations is a sprawling thousands square meter manufacturing facility equipped with different advanced production lines. This not only highlights our operational efficiency, but also underscores our capability to meet the demands of a dynamic global market. In recognition of our commitment to quality, innovation, and ethical practices, we has been honored with several esteemed certifications. In recognition of our commitment to quality, innovation, and ethical practices, we has been honored with several esteemed certifications, including being High-Tech Enterprise, attaining ISO 9001 BSCI accreditations, and ensuring compliance with international standards such as CE, FCC, ROS, and UL. SDL stands as a testament to technological prowess fused with customer centricity.